Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make lobster broth. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including the shells from cooked lobsters, some fresh vegetables, and plenty of water. This foundational step is crucial for developing a deep, flavorful base for your culinary creations. We'll start by preparing the shells to extract maximum taste, setting the stage for a truly delicious broth. For a robust broth, you'll need the shells from about 2 to 3 lobsters. Break them into smaller pieces to expose more surface area. Next, prepare your aromatics. Chop 1 medium onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks. These vegetables will add a sweet and savory depth. Finally, have 4 cups of cold water on hand, as this helps extract more flavor during the cooking process. Begin by heating 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Sauté the lobster shells for about 5 minutes until they turn a vibrant red and release their aroma. Then, add your chopped vegetables and the 4 cups of cold water. Bring it to a gentle simmer and let it cook for 30 minutes. Afterward, carefully strain the broth through a fine mesh sieve, pressing on the solids to extract every last drop of flavor. Once your delicious lobster broth is ready, allow it to cool completely before storing. You can keep it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, or freeze it for several months. This versatile broth is perfect for bisques, risottos, or seafood stews, adding a gourmet touch to any dish. And speaking of enjoying things, if you love to read, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals linked in the description below. It's perfect for enjoying your favorite books anywhere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.